In this video, we will show the best instant water heaters, Geyser, in India 2020. At number 1, Bajaj Flora Instant 3-liter vertical water heater. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 2, Racold Pronto Neo 3 liters 3 kilowatts instant water heater. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 3, Crompton Bliss 3-liter instant water heater. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 4, Havells Instanio 3-liter instant Geyser. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 5, Morphy Richards Quente 3-liter instant water heater. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update.